today I am going to use Snuggles. This is my Jedi Snuggles as my model. And we're using, this is actually a youth, it's a youth large. My recommendation is getting a extra large or a large in a man's shirt, but this was at the Dollar Tree. Our bear is gonna be our sizer. So when we're using this for our little ones, if you're making this for a child, you want it to go down to like maybe wrist, a little bit of the wrist. And then you want it to also go down to at least their knees, maybe a little bit longer. So those extra large shirts are really the best kind to use. So thank you, Snuggles. So first what we're going to do is we're going to cut the entire neckline out. So next, we're going to cut right here into a triangle. That gives its robe-like shape. So then we're actually gonna take our hot glue gun. Just gonna hot glue these sides together. Our robe shape. Last but not least, we are going to cut right down the middle, but only of one side. So make sure that you open it up. Can you see that it's open? Yeah, there we go. Open it up. And you're only gonna cut right down the middle of one side. An open robe, so you can open and close it. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did, and we're just gonna so we've made our robe. I have some fabric paint that I found at home. You can probably get this at the dollar store as well. And see, mine ended up being just a little bit big for Mr. Snuggles, but hold him up a little bit, girls, just a little bit. He does look like he's wearing a Hogwarts robe with his Ray goggles. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it's a nice one just for another dress-up robe.